Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a couple plants from MrMaple.com. This is a nursery that's actually out in western part of North Carolina. It's not that far from me. I've been meaning to get over there. I've talked to the owner several times and was invited to come out and take a look earlier in the fall or late summer, and it just didn't work into my schedule with the move and everything I had going on. But I'm going to get over there next spring and take a look. They specialize in Japanese maples, but they have a lot of other interesting and rare plants in their collection, and they ship them out very, very nicely. We'll get to unboxing in just a minute. But in their Japanese maples, they do their own grafting and do their root stocks, which is something I'm very interested in taking a look at. So we'll get over there in the spring and take a look at it. I did not order a Japanese maple. I actually ordered something else for this shade planting section that I have going in toward the back of this property right here. So let's take a look. Let's open this box up from MrMaple.com and take a look at what's inside. I'm just kidding. So I am impressed with their boxing. It arrived in really good shape here. There's just 3 pieces of tape here across the top, and I'll just use this pair of scissors to quickly take care of that and open it up here. Oh yeah. Okay, so they use a divider on the end of the box right here to keep the 2 plants from being able to slide back and forth. There's a divider right here, a cardboard divider. It worked absolutely perfect to get these here, and they're wrapped in plastic to keep the soil from coming out. Really, really nice job there of packaging. And what I have actually ordered is ROHDEA JAPONICA, 2 varieties. This is a SHIRO BOTAN right here. This is a beautiful, these are sacred lilies. If you're not familiar with them, these are, I would almost consider ROHDEA JAPONICA, or sacred lilies, people refer to them as like evergreen hosta. They're actually hardy in zone 6 to 10. There are lots and lots of varieties of these. These are native to Japan, and they come in many different shapes and sizes. This one right here, as you can see, has this beautiful, some spotting and some striping on the leaf. There's some that are just solid stripes, some that are just spotted, some that are solid green, some that have broader foliage. These are wonderful shade plants. Let's pull this other one out right here. Now, after you get these out of the box, obviously you're going to want to water them. Look at this variety right here, right there. Really beautiful plants. This is what I ordered from them. I am actually going to collect a few of these. I think he told me that they do something like 29 varieties, and they're working on some others. I think there's hundreds of varieties of these sacred lilies in Japan that are quite valuable. They're very slow growing. You won't find this plant typically in mass merchant types of places. You're going to find these in specialty nurseries. They are dividable over time, and in the fall and early winter, these were probably just a little too young to have done it this year. They will get a seed head that's maybe 3 or 4 inches tall, that has red seeds on it. It's really quite beautiful. But these are going to go in this shade planting back here in the back. Anytime you get something in clear plastic like this, and I've pointed this out before, that plastic could really heat up. So in any kind of sunlight, even in cooler temperatures like we have right now. But oh man, I'm super impressed. These have great roots on them too. But really nice plants from MrMaple.com that arrived in great shape. You'll see me planting these 2 pieces in a shade planting video I have coming up very soon. Thanks for watching.